Alright, welcome back to the bunkhouse bedroom. Today's little project is going to be putting our boards back up because I had to take them down to put the wood wall up, which are all these screw holes you see. This hole in each chunk of wood up. There's a couple of screws. So in order to hold those on, I had to take these off. So now we're putting this paneling back on and trying to check another thing off my list. So, yeah, here we go. And once again, we're going to use our handy dandy nail gun, and it's going to get loud in here, so I'll speed this up. You don't have to listen to this thing make noise, and yeah, it should go pretty quick. Okay, there's two pieces up. I gotta go cut my corner piece. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I got my piece cut. I got my 2x4 support cut. So we're just gonna throw those in. Actually, here I'll put them in. Okay, one bedroom wall. Definitely better. Now throw some paint on here and yeah, away we go with that. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching. More to come.